Is your Amazon Echo unresponsive? Let's troubleshoot step by step to get it working again. First, check the basics. Ensure your Echo is properly plugged into a working power outlet. Next, restart your device by unplugging it from power for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary issues. Verify your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your Echo is within 30 feet of your router and connected to the correct network in the Alexa app. Check if the microphone is muted. A solid red light means the microphone is off. Press the microphone button to turn it back on. Update your Alexa app and device software. Go to Settings, then Device Options, then check for software updates in the Alexa app. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, it's time to consider a reset. Reset your Echo when troubleshooting fails, the device is freezing, or before selling or gifting it to erase your personal data. There are two types of resets: a restart, which is a simple power cycle that doesn't erase settings, and a factory reset, which erases all personal information and returns the device to its original state. Now that you understand when and why to reset your Echo, the next section will show you exactly how to perform both types of resets. When basic troubleshooting fails to fix your unresponsive Echo device, a factory reset is your next step. This will erase all personal data and return the device to its original state. The easiest way to factory reset is through the Alexa app. Open the app, go to Devices, then Echo and Alexa, select your specific device, scroll down and tap Factory Reset, then confirm your choice. If you can't use the app, manual reset methods vary by device model. For most newer Echo devices, like the 3rd generation and newer, press and hold the Action button for 20 to 25 seconds until the light ring pulses orange. For Echo Show devices, press and hold the mute and volume down buttons for 15 seconds until the Amazon logo appears. Other Echo models have different button combinations, so check your specific device model. After a successful reset, your Echo will enter setup mode with an orange light. Open the Alexa app and follow the on-screen instructions to reconnect the device to your Wi-Fi network and Amazon account. Factory reset often resolves software bugs that cause unresponsiveness. For households with many connected devices, ensure your Wi-Fi speed is at least 25 megabits per second for optimal performance.